Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Milo Truffles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of Milo powder, 200 grams of crushed plain biscuits, and 150 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk. Also, have a large mixing bowl and a tray ready. These simple items are the foundation for our delicious, no-bake treats, making the process straightforward and fun for everyone. Now let's get mixing. In your large bowl, combine the crushed biscuits and Milo powder. Stir them together until they are well integrated. Next, slowly pour in the sweetened condensed milk, mixing continuously. You want to achieve a consistency that's firm enough to roll but still pliable. Once your mixture is ready, take small portions and roll them into neat, bite-sized balls about 2 centimeters across. This is where the fun begins. With your truffles formed, it's time to add that perfect finishing touch. Roll each truffle generously in extra Milo powder to give them a rich, chocolatey exterior. If you're feeling adventurous, you could also use desiccated coconut or colorful sprinkles for a different look and texture. Once coated, arrange your truffles on a tray and place them in the refrigerator. A chill time of at least 30 minutes will help them firm up beautifully, making them ready to enjoy. And there you have it, your homemade Milo truffles are ready. These delightful treats are perfect for a quick snack, a party dessert, or simply to satisfy a sweet craving. To keep them fresh, store any uneaten truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will maintain their delicious taste and texture for up to 5 days. Enjoy sharing these simple, yet incredibly satisfying, no-bake delights with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.